Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to take a quick look at the crypto markets, look at some prices, check out some news, Archangel token reflections, and staking rewards. All right, the first thing I'd like to take a look at is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And today, which is March 10th, it's about 10 p.m. East Coast time. It's 22 is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which is extreme fear. Yesterday was 28, which was fear. Last week, 33 fear, and last month, 54 neutral. All right, if we go to CoinMarketCap and take a look at the prices of the magic internet money, the total crypto market is $1,722 billion. Bitcoin dominance is 42.4%, Ethereum dominance 17.7%. Right now, Ethereum gas fees are 18 GUI, which is low, super low. All right. Total market cap of crypto went down 4.4% today. Bitcoin price right now is $38,404. It's down 6% on the day and down 7.3% on the week. Ethereum price, $2,542. It's down almost 5% on the day and almost down 7% on the week. If we look at everything else in the top 10, everything else is down. Down for the day, down for the week. Except Terra Luna is up 4.7 on the week, down 1% on the day. If we look at Shiba Inu token price, it is number 15 token. It's 402202. It's down 5.3% on the day and down 10.75% on the week. And everything's down if we keep scrolling through. Tron is even. That's probably the only one. Algorand, the number 29 coin, it's 70.68 cents. And it is down 7% on the day and 8.5% on the week, and everything is red, just hemorrhaging. Number 15 token, Stacks, no idea what that is. That's up. 98 out of the top 100 tokens are down. Archangel token price is down 6% on the day. It's at 901634, and it's still trading in this channel here, which is between, 1774 and 1204. And the Archangel staking pool is halfway through its 90 days, just one day over that, but it's 44 days left in the staking pool. If you look at the wallet holder count for Archangel, we're down total of 3 for the day. We lost 1 wallet holder in Ethereum, 1 on Binance Smart Chain, and 1 on Phantom. That's the total wallet holder count is 4,983. Current price, 901664. I know it dropped a little bit, but I didn't change this. Day change is down 4% I have, and the weekly change is down 31%. That's a lot. Market cap, 8,600,000 total. That's total market cap. Fully diluted market cap, 16,640,000. Daily volume is $4,809, which is extremely low. So the amount of tokens sent to the burn wallet today is really low as well. It's only 512 billion tokens. So if we look at this wallet that we have here, that started with 1 trillion tokens, just over 1 trillion. Staking rewards is only 5 million tokens today, but the daily increase in the staking pool rewards went up by almost 93 million tokens. Total rewards and reflections tokens, just over 7 million tokens. And at today's price, that's $1.17. And you could buy 1 trillion Archangel tokens right now for $166. Oh, and gas prices today, where I am, increased by 5 cents to $4.06. That's a 1.25% increase overnight. Wow. I wonder why gas prices are going up. All right, we're going to go to CBS News, and we're going to find out why our gas price is so high. Three reasons why gas prices are so high and when they might come down. This is from today, March 10th. Thank you, CBS. I'm not going to read all that right there, but I'm going to read the 3 reasons. Post-pandemic demand for gas. Oh, that's one of the reasons? Cuts to oil production. Ah, yes. U.S. sanctions on Russia's impact global market. Let's do this one. Cuts to oil production. Ooh, yeah. When demand for gas and oil plunged during the pandemic, OPEC and oil-producing nations such as Russia cut production, slashing it by an unprecedented 10 million barrels. What, a day or a month or what? Probably a day. To put that in perspective, that represents 10% of the global supply. Damn, that's a lot. But But as the global economy recovered from the pandemic, OPEC was slow to ramp up production. Dehan said, okay, we're nearing pre-COVID levels for consumption, but production is still lagging. OPEC didn't start increasing production until July of 2021, which damn was almost a year ago. They were already too late, and they were severely behind the curve. Well, thanks for that. Meanwhile, U.S. producers said that they are boosting production, but warned that supplies could take a while to trickle through the market and move prices to the pumps, Politico reported. Thank you, Politico. You think that's the reason? I don't think that's the reason. I think that's an explanation of that they want you to think. But who knows? Who am I? I'm just a random dude on YouTube. Here's the third one, right? The third reason, U.S. sanctions on Russia impacts global market. Against the backdrop of steadily rising prices, Russia's war in Ukraine has caused a rapid spike in gas prices. Yeah, but gas prices were going up all of February. They didn't go to war until the end of February. So that doesn't seem right on the timeline. Weird, right? Oh man, I'm going to get kicked off of YouTube for saying that stuff. President Biden on Tuesday announced a U.S. ban on Russian oil and gas imports, taking aim at Russia's main revenue source amid the conflict. The U.S. imports less than 10% of its oil and gas from Russia. So why are prices rising so much in the U.S. if the nation doesn't depend on Russia for fuel? The surge in gas prices is due to the larger global oil market, Dehan says. Quote, when the U.S. issues sanctions, that has a wide ramifications on the ability of Russia to export oil, he said. We don't import a lot, but somebody else does, and we're all making it difficult for Russian oil to flow from the global market, and prices are reacting to that. Interesting. Okay. Tipping point for gas consumers? It's possible that the average per gallon price could reach $5. In some regions, it already has, such as California, where drivers are paying $5.69 a gallon. Damn, that's a lot of money. But where the price of gas goes from here depends on a number of factors, such as whether the U.S. makes a deal with Venezuela. We're going to make a deal with Venezuela? What? To import fuel from that nation, Dehan said. It's also important to remember that when adjusted for inflation, today's fuel prices are still below their peak in 2008. Interesting. In today's dollars, the price was closer to $5.25 a gallon. Dehan believes that most consumers won't cut back their driving until prices reach $5 per gallon mark. We're not close to that, Dehan says. $5 a gallon is the old $4. Did you hear this? $5 a gallon is the old $4. And somewhere north of 5 gallon could be the tipping point that causes drivers to scale back. Are the truckers going to scale back your toilet paper delivery? I don't think they are. Sorry. That doesn't even make sense. None of that really made sense. So we're going to stop getting oil from Russia, but we're going to get oil from Venezuela? And that's like a better option? Damn. So when will gas prices go down? Expect gas prices to remain elevated for weeks, if not months, experts say. Oh, great. Overall inflation will likely get worse in March and April before improving. Bill Adams, chief economist of Comerica Bank, it said in a report, inflation will accelerate in March and April as the knockoff effects of Russian-Ukraine war push prices even higher at supermarkets, gas pumps, and utility bills, Adams said. But inflation could start easing later in the year, dipping to 5.5% by September, predicts Ian Steffordson, chief economist of Pantheon Macroeconomics. It's unclear when gas prices might go down, since that is closely tied to Russia's war with Ukraine, Dehan said. It is difficult to know. It could be weeks or months, he said. If Putin stays as president and signs a peace treaty, it'll take months for countries to do business with him because they have to gauge whether he's reliable. If there's a regime change in Russia, the change in gas prices could come much quicker. Damn. There's no agenda there, huh? Strange. Why do you think gas prices are going up?
The oil industry pollutes significantly.
We have to move toward a net zero emissions
Subsidies for fossil fuel industry. No more drilling on federal lands. No more drilling, including offshore. No ability for the oil industry to continue to drill. Period. Ends. Number one.
If you laugh at Joe, then you're missing the point. This is an existential crisis.
Bingo.
Could the gas prices going up be because of that? I don't know. Let's look at the news. Let's go to CoinGecko. They have decent news there. Cornell professor. Crypto industry could benefit from Biden's executive order. Regulations provide legitimacy. Yes, I agree. Next, Shiba Inu. Ministry of Economy for Turkey reportedly has a meeting with Sheep Army members. That's from Crypto Globe an hour ago. Let's read more. Interesting. It's dated March 11th, which is tomorrow, probably in Turkey. Mustafa, deputy chairman of the AK party group and Turkey's prime minister of economy, has reportedly met with members of the Turkish Shiba Inu community to discuss the adoption of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency in the country. Whoa, what does that really mean? According to a tweet shared by the country's Sheep community, later applauded by the Shiba Inu lead developer Shitoshi Kusama, Turkey's Ministry of Economy had a face-to-face meeting with the Turkish member of the community and the Sheep ecosystem was addressed. The meeting occurred shortly after the meme-inspired cryptocurrency overtook the native cryptocurrency of the FTX exchange. As the second largest holding of the largest Ethereum whales have in their portfolio besides ETH itself. That's interesting. As Crypto Globe reported, Ethereum whales have been loading up on SHIB as plans to burn the meme-inspired cryptocurrency supply through various initiatives have been growing. Stephen Cooper, CEO of cryptocurrency entertainment firm Bigger Entertainment, has clarified in a tweet that the company is looking to support the community of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency by burning 10% of its supply. Turkey's SHIB adoption has been growing over time as the value of the country's fiat currency, the lira, drops. Over the last 12 months, the currency has lost nearly half of its value against the US dollar, while over the last 5 years, it's lost 75% of its value. Dang. What else do we have? $40,000 Bitcoin price is in reach, but analysts warn a sweep of recent lows is likely. All right. Elrond Network to acquire e-money license in Romania. Next, Binance seeks to open shop in Dubai. Interesting. Strengthening its foothold in the Middle East. This is from CoinSlate 3 hours ago. Binance Holding Ltd., the world's largest decentralized crypto exchange by trading volume, is in talks with authorities in Dubai over a license to operate in the Gulf City state. Wow. What else do we have? Here's one. A bill from Bitcoin Senator Lummis would alter capital gains landscape for crypto. Let's read more. The Responsible Financial Innovations Act is still being drafted. Lummis's staffer Tyler Lindholm told Decrypt what is in it. Let's read about it. A new bill from Senator Cynthia Lummis, Republican Wyoming, seeks to overhaul how cryptocurrencies can be taxed within the U.S. That's positive. Lummis's state policy director Tyler Lindholm told Decrypt Daily podcast that the Responsible Financial Initiative Act, which is still being drafted, will provide clarity to the industry and users. One of the biggest aims is to provide guidance about capital gains related to crypto mining, staking, and spending. Quote, what we're really looking at there is it's just integrating digital assets into the system of taxation, he said. Well, that makes sense. Capital gains represents an increase in value from the purchase of an asset and when it's sold. Conversely, capital losses represent a decrease in value. The U.S. taxes net gains on assets such as crypto. The problem that many people unwittingly face, however, is that a whole slew of common instances occur, in fact, taxable events. For starters, paying for something in Bitcoin or another coin equates to selling it in Uncle Sam's eyes. So if you bought a Bitcoin when the coin was at $20,000 and you purchased a Tesla with the Bitcoin, with BTC while it was $35,000, you're going to be hit with a capital gains taxes on the $15,000 difference. The bill would do several things on this count. First, it would provide a tax exclusion for up to $600 so crypto users wouldn't be hit with tax bills for buying the proverbial coffee. Well, that's positive. While Lummis would prefer it to be higher, according to Lindholm, the exact amount could actually end up being lower. The senator is looking for a bill that can pass the Senate. Interesting. Second, the bill would clarify that the capital gains does not apply to productive activities such as mining or staking because you're not getting rid of the asset. Mining refers to using computational or computing power to help secure blockchain network and potentially earn crypto as your reward. Staking refers to dedicating your crypto to a network to increase security and earn passive income. The bill would also allow people to exit retirement schemes such as 401ks and IRAs and reinvest the money into cryptocurrencies without fancy footwork. That would be awesome. I'm just saying. Senator Lummis has been very friendly to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies during her time in the Senate, and according to Lummis, she first bought BTC in 2013. Well, that's bullish for crypto. Man, that's good news, right? Oh, here's another one. Department of Labor cautions against crypto and 401k plans. We have to read more. From the Block, Department of Labor cautions against crypto and 401k plans. The U.S. Department of Labor published a notice Thursday saying that will conduct an investigative program aimed at retirement plans offering crypto. The agency advocates retirement managers exercise extreme care when considering cryptocurrencies as a retirement investment option. As it stands, the Department of Labor is skeptical of crypto as a retirement investment due to its volatility, so thanks for keeping me safe. Quote, at this early stage in the history of cryptocurrencies, the department has serious concerns about the prudence and fiduciary's discretion to expose a 401k plan's participants to direct investments in cryptocurrencies or other products whose value is tied to cryptocurrencies. Says the Department of Labor, end quote. Additionally, given the narrative that crypto can produce outsized returns, the DOL cautions that it may cloud investors' judgment and attract inexpert investors. The Employee Benefit Securities Administration, what is that? Will conduct an investigative program for plans that offer crypto investments. With the investigation, EBSA, the Employee Benefit Security Administration, will take appropriate action to protect its interest of plan participants and beneficiaries with respect to these investments, according to the notice. Well, thanks for that. That's it. Man, that makes me feel safe. Thanks, Department of Labor and the Department of whatever. Man. Anyway, I think that's it for the news. Here we go, market wrap up. This is from Blockworks. Ukraine-Russia talks fail and inflation hits 40-year high. God, we have to read more, don't we? Talks between Ukraine and Russia to establish a ceasefire and humanitarian corridors on Thursday made no progress. That's not a surprise, is it? The U.S. core CPI, Consumer Price Index, rose 0.8% in February, bringing inflation to a 7.8% year over year. Oh, the highest it's been since 1982. Damn. All right, that's it for the news and the updates in the crypto market. Appreciate it. Magic internet money, see what happens with all that crazy stuff. Crazy. Hey, thanks for tuning into the channel. I really appreciate it. If you can give me a thumbs up and a like, if you can give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, it means a whole lot. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.
I feel like I need a stiff drink after that conversation. A lot to worry about in there.